Hi, June Kate on the beautiful Bay Shore, and we are going to be doing a quick tutorial on a four-wall simple dance called Redneck Girl by the Bellamy Brothers. Tim McGraw also and Blake Sheldon have recorded it, so you pick your favorite. I'm going to step back. It's a simple 32 count dance, four walls, so I'm going to step back and follow me. My weight's on my left foot. I'm going to take a grapevine to the right with the stomp and a grapevine to the left with the stomp. Ready, in. Grapevine, right, stomp. Grapevine, left, stomp. First 8 counts, so easy. The next 8 counts are heel, heel, shuffle forward, heel, heel, shuffle forward. So there we are, the first 16 counts. Let's try that together. Weights on our left foot, ready, in. Grapevine, right with the stomp. Grapevine, left with the stomp. Heel, heel, shuffle forward, heel, heel, shuffle forward. Weights on our left foot. We are going to do a rocking chair, and that's going to get us to our next wall, which is a quarter turn. So our weight is on our left foot. We're going to rock the chair and turn with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 8 counts is a jazz box with 2 stomps and a wiggle side to side. So let's try those first 24 counts together. Weights on our left foot, ready, in. Grapevine, right with the stomp. Grapevine, left with the stomp. Ready, and heel, heel, shuffle forward, heel, heel, shuffle forward. Rock, chair, and shuffle, shuffle. Jazz, box, right, left, stomp, stop, clap, clap. And we're done. That's the whole dance. We're on this wall. Let's try it. Weights on our left foot. Ready, in. Grapevine, right, stop. Grapevine, left, stop. Heel, heel, shuffle forward. Heel, heel, shuffle forward. Rocking chair and turn, turn. Grape, jazz box, right, left. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap. I want to go like this. That's God Bless Texas. It's another dance. Okay, let's try it from the front. Weights on our left foot. Ready, in. Grapevine, right with the stomp. Grapevine, left with the stomp. Heel, heel, shuffle forward. Heel, heel, shuffle forward. Rocking chair and shuffle, shuffle. Jazz square, left, right. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap. Grapevine, right, stomp, grapevine, left, stomp, heel, heel, shuffle forward, heel, heel, shuffle forward, rocking chair, and turn, turn, jazz square to the side, stomp, stomp, clap, clap. Have you got it? Okay, you know, with me, it's got to be sing-songy, and just keep practicing. So that's called Redneck Girl by the Bellamy Brothers, first introduced. However, Blake Sheldon and Tim McGraw play it, so we're getting ready. We're going to be doing that today, so join us at the South Tampa Y on Himes Avenue, 130. Make friends, have fun, get fit, and Tampa Bay, keep on moving.